Hello everybody, it's Michael here at Owner's Pride Auto Spa here in Orlando, Florida. Welcome to my channel here with Malloy Detailing. Earlier this year, I got to spend time at Mobile Tech Expo, which is a detail expo or convention that is held here in Orlando, Florida every year. At that expo, we get the opportunity to talk to and meet different people in the detail community, different brands of products, software and services that help detailing professionals. In this video, we had the opportunity to talk to Christian of BioBombs, which is an amazing product that helps to deal with odors, cleaning interiors, and refreshing the air in his line of products. So thank you guys for staying tuned and watching this video, and I'll turn it over to Christian as he shares some of the benefits of his products and how they should properly be utilized in your detail business, or if you're a do-it-yourselfer, how you can use those products to help keep your car clean, smelling and feeling fresh.
So these are going to basically treat surfaces and subsurfaces, okay? Meaning in the vents, door panels, ventilation system, carpets, center consoles, seats, leather, headliners, trunk, you name it. These are safe for anywhere, okay? If you do it on leather or if you do it on windows, you know, use yourself a dedicated glass cleaner after you get done. You're going to streak. We don't have alcohol in here, right? Guys, you do this on leather, you're supposed to condition leather after you clean it. Condition the damn leather. Outside of that, we're good. These work really well. We have a ton of success with these. They work inside of a steamer phenomenally. I mean, you will literally look. Most people, when we sell these to you guys, you call us up a week later, you're like, yo, I'm not gonna lie, these minis are truth. Almost everybody who's never used them before swears by these things. These are our most slept on product. So you try them, and you're committed forever after that. I mean, they're less than $1 a piece. You really like spray bottle, less than you ain't getting that. No, there's no way I wouldn't get it. You're really not. So, deodorization kit. Now, this is designed to treat the air, not the surfaces and subsurfaces. Surfaces and subsurfaces are the minis. The vehicle kit is designed to treat the air. So if you had a pet dander, a funky smell from cigarettes or food or a spill or whatever, you want to use the minis to get your surfaces all straight before you decide to start taking care of the air. Okay? After you get done blowing the minis, you put this bad boy inside the car, you take this little tablet out right here, right? Fill this jar up with water, put this in the cup holder, drop this in there, walk away. Now, typically, you're going to look anywhere between 3 hours to 12 hours if you did this application. That's not too friendly for a mobile detail, right? Now, we have a solution for that. This pump right here goes inside this jar with the tube, and what this does is actually speeds up the process. It does two things. 60-minute treatment time you now have, right? And on top of that, you got increased deodorization power. So what basically winds up happening is, this thing gases off 100% of the jar in 1 hour instead of 13. When you accelerate something with the agitation of the bubbles, you're going to get a stronger gas off. You're going to be able to deodorize vehicles faster and more successful.
So now with that one, would you just like usually set that up, tell the customer, hey, leave it overnight?
No, you would set that up. And what you would do is this device right here.
What if you didn't know, like if you didn't have the pump?
Because you didn't have the pump, that's fine, right? But here's my thing. You don't want to give your customer access to what it is you're using, right? You're going to get that customer back for a service, especially a service like an interior air quality reset service. You want to perform that for your customer. It's an easy grab, bro. I tell him all the time. When you pitch the interior air quality reset, real easy. Tell them about how much time we spend in our vehicle.
What did I say? What did I tell you? Exactly what I told you.
Seriously. That's 18 days a year inside your car. That's 9 days every 6 months, right? 9 days every 6 months, a lot of time to be funking up the inside of your car. We don't notice it because we're in it every day. You might come jump in my car and be like, yo, Chris, what the hell? Your car stinks, dog. You know what I mean? Now, you offer an interior air quality reset, you're going to be able to steam down that entire interior. From passing gas, dropping food, smoking cigs, whatever, inside the vehicle, right? Like, you're eliminating that from the surfaces. Once you eliminate it from the surfaces, you're going to drop one of these in here and this in here. You're going to put it in for an hour, less than an hour sometimes, right? You're going to put it in your car, go to do the outside. By the time you get done doing the outside, you're pulling this out, charging the customer, you're rolling out. I mean, it's a no-brainer, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
Hands down, no-brainer, you know?
Awesome.